Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will use the direct selection tool to create a custom wave shape from a straight line. Begin with a simple horizontal path on the canvas. Switch to the direct selection tool to active the points. Click the center anchor and drag it upward. Now pull the handle sideways to form a smooth crest. Move to the next anchor and drag it slightly downward. Adjust the handles to form a soft top. Continue alternating up and down adjustments. Watch the straight line turn into a smooth wave. Now refine each crest and through the natural look. Adjust handle length for even curves. Zoom in for macro refinement along with the path. Thank